Everyone panicked. We need to stop her hiccups now. But how do you stop hiccups? They tried everything from Antarctica, broadcasting loud noises to scare her. But nothing worked. Sending calming music, she still hiccuped, beaming anti-hiccup medicine coordinates. She teleported before it arrived. Then Poppy's mum had an idea. I know what stops Poppy's hiccups. Her favorite lullaby. She needs to hear me sing it.